Hi guys, welcome to a review of Machenike K600 mechanical 96% keyboard. This keyboard, it comes with a type USB to type C cable. Okay, it's quite long. It comes with a manual, multi-language manual with English as well, and there is a keycap removal. The size of the keyboard is 389 by 134 by 45, while the weight is 823 grams. Let me show you the back of the keyboard. So this is the model K600. It comes with a 2-level stand, 1 and 2. Right, so there is also a rubbery pad on each side of the keyboard to avoid movement while you're typing. And this will be the light indicator on the keyboard. So as you can see, this will be the last one will be the battery sign, the Bluetooth, num and cap. So num and cap, that will be our caps lock and num lock for this part, while the Bluetooth will only be blinking while it's on pairing mode, or when you just switch it on when the keyboard is pairing with your device. While the battery sign, when it's in use, it won't have any lights on, but if it is in red, that means your battery is low and you will need to charge, and while you're charging, the battery sign will be in red as well, and while it's fully charged, it's going to turn into green. And there's a switch over here that it shows is Bluetooth or cable. There's no on and off switch on this keyboard. If you would like to switch it off, then you will have to push it over to cable, or just turn it on to connect with the Bluetooth. While this will be the type C. The connection of the keyboard will come in 2 modes. It's either you will be using the Bluetooth, or you'll be using directly by connecting the cable with the type C cable directly to your device. So there's only 2 modes. There's no wireless connection. While to pair your Bluetooth device, you will need to press on the FN and 1. That will be your first pairing, and this keyboard supports up to 3 pairing. So you can press on F1 and the first number to pair on your first device. After pressing this, you will see your Bluetooth button will be blinking. So that is the time that you will search for the Bluetooth device under the name Machenike K600. So you're going to pair it, and then subsequently goes to FN2 for your second device, and for your number 3 will be your third device. Switching among the 3 devices will be partly simple. Just press on FN 1 to switch it over, 2 to switch it over to the second device, and the third device. So it's basically very simple to switch over, and pretty quick in between your 3 devices. For the lighting, you can switch it on. As for the lighting, you can switch it on or switch the lighting based on FN and the light button here. So you will see that with these 2 buttons, you're able to switch the mode. There's basically 17 modes for you to switch to. And now we're gonna look at what's below the keycap. We'll try to open up one of the keys. So this is using Charlie rate. As you can see, it is not swappable, it is fixed one. It is Charlie rate. And now we'll be testing on the sound of the keyboard that it generates from this key. The height of the keyboard is a bit high, so if you're using a lot of typing, then maybe you will want to have a wrist rest so that your wrist won't feel the pressure after a long time of typing. But if it is for minimal typing, like myself, I don't type too much for a very long time, so without the wrist rest, that should be fine. And the keyboard is come with a built-in battery, which it will last a few weeks for me. I've been one full charge will last me for a few weeks with the lights on, because there's no way to turn it off. So I'll use the minimal light, and the battery will last me like for a few weeks. And lastly, this is the price that I get from Lazada. You could get it with slightly below 200 with the promotion. So most of the time is in between 200 or 220, so you can get it a good deal for below 200 when there is promotion. So I hope that this will give you a good idea on what is this keyboard like. So if you think of anything that you would like to ask, you can always drop it in the comment. Thanks.